Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do this beautiful, gorgeous Sonam Kapoor Cannes makeup look. I love this look because it is so simple, it's fresh, it's gorgeous, it's elegant all at the same time. And if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start with my primer, and this is the Maybelline Master Prime by Studio Face. Now I'm going to go in with my color corrector. This is the Elegant Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Orange. For foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit foundation. Now I'm going to take the Elegant Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to conceal my under eyes. Now I'm going to highlight my under eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Now I'm going to put the Body Shop loose powder under my eyes and bake my under eyes and set my whole face. And I'm going to use this shade for my eyebrows. Now I'm going to remove the excess powder under my eyes. I'm taking this very pretty gold color. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. And I'm going to put the same color in the bottom lash line. Now taking this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black, I'm going to tightline my eyes. And I'm going to smoke it out just a little bit. Taking a darker brown, I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes, just the outer portion. And just blend it so that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back after applying false lashes, and I also applied this Maybelline The Colossal liner on my lash line so that the lash glue doesn't show. Sonam has got really natural makeup going on. She does not have a very contoured face, so I'm just going to use a bronzer, and I'm going to use my Body Shop bronzer. So for blush, I'm using this Maybelline Color Show blush, and it is in the shade Fresh Coral. Sonam has got really highlighted face, so I'm going to use my Pro Illuminate. In case you missed my previous video where I show you how I fixed my broken makeup, because this was really broken and I fixed it. So do check out my previous video. Sonam has really bright red lips, so I'm going to line my lips with this Miss Clear lip liner in the shade Indian Red, and also just fill it in. Next, I'm using this Lakme Enrich lip crayon in the shade Berry Red. Next, I'm going to take this Colorbar Take Me As I Am lip color in the shade Sensuous Red. So guys, this is my finished makeup look. I hope you like it, and if you liked it, do give me a like and share and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to do a lot more Cannes makeup tutorials. And when you click on the subscribe button, please click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Do check out my other videos, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.